Welcome to my channel.
Canon G2020 showing offline. Fix in 2 minutes. Step by step.
Step 1. Check printer power and cable. Make sure your printer is turned on and all cables are properly connected. USB or power cable. Step 2. Set as default printer. Press Windows plus R. Type Control Printers. Press Enter. Right-click on Canon G2020. Select Set as default printer. Step 3. Cancel all pending print jobs. Right-click on Canon G2020. Click See What's Printing. Go to Printer menu. Click Cancel All Documents. Step 4. Uncheck Use Printer Offline. Go to See What's Printing again. Click on Printer menu. Uncheck Use Printer Offline if it's ticked. Step 5. Restart Print Spooler Service. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc. Press Enter. Scroll to Print Spooler. Right-click. Click Restart. Step 6. Update printer driver. Go to Canon's official website. Download and install the latest driver for Canon G2020. Step 7. Reconnect USB cable or port. Remove the USB cable. Plug it into a different USB port on your PC. Wait for Windows to recognize the printer. Thanks for watching.